Let's look at a few text functions in Excel for manipulating text. This video focuses on the lower function, the proper function, and the upper function. The lower function changes all text to small characters. The proper function changes text so that the first letter is a capital, and the upper function changes all text to uppercase or capital letters. So to change it to lowercase, we use the lower function is equals to lower, type the lower function, and select the text that you want to change. Enter, then you can copy this downwards. The proper function changes all text so that the first letter is a capital letter. Change that, then press enter and copy that downwards. While the upper function changes all text to uppercase, then enter and copy this downwards. Now further, we'll also look at how to change this using Excel VBA. Let's, for example, we want to put here a button that changes this or this to uppercase. So I'll go to developer button, go to insert, then insert an ActiveX control, which is a command button, then draw that there. Once you have that, we can check the properties and change the captions command button to change text case, or just type change case. Once done, close the properties and double click this to load the module environment. Double click that, it will give you this, which is the module environment, where you type now dim a range, let's call it RNG as range. After that, set the range to selection. Then for each cell in range or RNG, you can write RNG like that. Then call it cell.value is equals to UCase, which is uppercase, and then select the cell that you want like that. Then finally call the next cell of this procedure like that. Once that is done, now close this. Then we call this we want for any selection that we select, we change it to uppercase. So I'll remove the design mode, select any that I want, then click change case. You can see it has changed the case. Pick the lowercase, change case, and like that, change case. So ideally, the VBA Excel has what you call L case for lowercase, uppercase or P case to change it to proper. Thanks for watching. My name is David Kandi.